Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. In this video, we will see some word problems based on subtraction of rational number. See the questions from exercise 1.3. The sum of two numbers is 5 upon 9. If one of the number is 1 upon 3, find the other number. So it is a word problem and we have to solve this question by step. So before finding the actual answer, we can assume that required rational number is x. So since it is given that the sum of two numbers is 5 upon 9 and one of them is 1 upon 3 and we are considering that required number is x. So the next step will be 1 upon 3 plus x means that unknown number and that is equal to 5 upon 9. Now we got the equation. Now we have to solve this equation. Now let's solve this equation. So next step will be now transpose this 1 upon 3 to the right hand side. Therefore next step will be 5 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. Now let's take the difference of these two. These two rational numbers are having different denominator. So first make their denominator same. So to convert this 3 into 9, we can multiply it by 3. So 3 into 3 and 1 into 3. So 5 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9. The difference of 5 and 3 is 2. So the answer is 2 upon 9. Hence the required number is 2 upon 9. Next question. In this question, see here what is the question. What should be added to minus 7 upon 9 so as to get 5 upon 9? Means we want the sum as 5 upon 9. One number is given minus 7 upon 8 and we have to find the another number. So first let's assume the required number is x. So we will get this equation minus 7 upon 8 plus x is equal to 5 upon 9. Now let's solve this equation. 5 upon 9. Let's transpose this term to the right hand side. So this minus will become plus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 8. Now you can add these two rational numbers either by cross multiplication or by converting them into like fraction. So let's solve this question by cross multiplication. 5 into 8 is 40, 7 into 9 is 63 and 8 into 9 is 72. So the next step will be 40 plus 63, that is 103 upon 72. Hence the required number is 103 upon 72. Next question. What number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted from minus 5 upon 3 to get 5 upon 6? So here let assume the required number is x. The question is what number should be subtracted and we are assuming that number is x. So we will get this equation minus 5 upon 3 minus x is equal to 5 upon 6. So to solve this equation, let's transpose x to the right hand side and this 5 upon 6 to the left hand side. So next step will be minus 5 upon 3. After transposing 5 upon 6, it will become minus 5 upon 6 and this minus x will become plus x after transposing. Now let's solve this. Minus 5 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 6 denominators are not equal, so let's make the denominator same. So 5 into 2, 3 into 2 minus 5 upon 6 is equal to x. So 5 into 2 is minus 10 upon 6 minus 5 upon 6 is equal to x. Now we can easily take the difference of these two numbers because the denominators are same. Minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15 upon 6, that is equal to x. Now let's make it simple. This numerator and denominator both are multiples of 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So the final answer is x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Means this is the final answer, that is minus 5 upon 2.